In the past 24 hours ending at 8:30 am of 5th May, that's on today, three stations in South Goa reported rainfall. The highest to report was from Dabolim, which was 7.6 mm of rainfall, millimeters of rainfall. Kanpon reported 1.2 mm and Marmugao also reported almost 7 millimeters of rainfall. So all this rainfall fall under the category of light rainfall activity. And now if we talk about the systems, weather systems that can impact weather over Goa, there are two such systems. The first one is called a trough. Trough is a change in the direction of wind, which can result in moisture accumulation and cloud formation. So such a trough is running from north interior Karnataka and up to interior and south Kerala. Along with that, there is a circulation over north interior Karnataka. So these two systems result in moisture incursion over Goa. And along with that, if we see the temperatures over the coastal regions of Goa, that is Mamagaon and Panji, we can see that the temperature has been around 34 to 35 degrees Celsius. And along with that, the thermodynamical properties of atmosphere also is favoring thunderstorm cloud formation. So with all these systems and thermodynamical properties of atmosphere, we can expect the thundershower activity to continue over Goa for the coming days as well. So if we consider the coming 5 days, this is how the forecast goes. Uh, on 5th and 6th, we are expecting the rainfall activity or the thundershower activity to slightly increase in intensity as well as distribution. So on 5th, we are expecting that the rainfall activity or the thundershower activity is going to be scattered. That means around 25 to 50 percentage of the rainfall reporting stations are very likely to experience rainfall or thunder showers. And tomorrow on 6th, the distribution is going to slightly increase further. We are expecting fairly widespread distribution. That means 50 to 75 percentage of the stations are very likely to experience rainfall. And from 7th onwards, the activity will slightly reduce. And though the activity will reduce, the thunder shower or rainfall activity at isolated places at least is going to continue for North and South Goa district for the coming days. Uh, Regarding the weather warnings, there is warning for thunderstorm activity, that is rainfall accompanied with lightning. And on the first 2 days, that is on 5th and 6th, the thunderstorms could even be accompanied with winds of speed 30 to 40 kilometers per hour. Then onwards, the intensity will slightly reduce, but as mentioned earlier, the thunder shower activity is going to continue over Goa. IMD's extended range forecast, which forecasts the weather conditions for 2 weeks, has already forecasted that the rainfall activity is going to continue over Goa for the first 2 weeks of May. We can expect light thunder showers in the evenings every now and then for the coming 2 weeks. Now, when such thunder shower activity is taking place, it is advised that people may please avoid open areas or finding shelters under tall structures or trees. So this all will result in lightning hazards. And of course, please be regularly updated with IMD's latest warnings and forecasts. All the forecast and nowcast, which actually give the short-term forecast for 3 to 4 hours to come, all that is published and issued on IMD's website, also on its social media accounts. So please be regularly updated with IMD's warnings and forecast in these days.